Hey guys, what's up? It's Levi. So today I'm gonna be actually doing a DIY with me. So I'm gonna be making my wedding veil. Our wedding is set for June 23rd. I'm going to be doing an all pink outfit. It's gonna be great. So for that, obviously I want a pink veil. So today we're gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be talking about my wedding a little bit, what that's gonna be like. And so sorry for the boxes behind me. They're from when we moved in and we just haven't cleaned them out yet, but you know, it's fine, it's whatever. So the materials that we're gonna need is a measuring tape, scissors. I know you're supposed to use like craft or fabric scissors. I have some because I used to sew a very long time ago a lot, but since then I cannot find my craft or my sewing supplies, so we're just gonna use these. I got this pack of thread. We're gonna be using these two threads, maybe this one, we'll see. And this does come with a threader and 3 needles, 24 spools, and they are 10 yards each. This was $2.99. All these supplies, except for the measuring tape and the scissors, I got from Hobby Lobby today. So that's that. I got this absolutely gorgeous ribbon. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It is like, how would you call it? It's like, it's ribbon, but it's lace. It's lace. It's sparkly pink lace, and I love that. So we're gonna go with that. That was $3.99 at Hobby Lobby. Next, I got this really pretty, like, baby pink tulle. It was actually 40% off, and it was really cheap already. So with 40% off, and I got 2 yards of it, we got it for $2.38, which was really a great price for all that tulle. And then last but not least, this is actually a pretty cool find because they were all telling me that they didn't have these. They were all telling me, like, you know, I was gonna have to, like, you know, just kind of maybe think of something for it. But I found these combs. Oh my gosh, they were all over telling me like how they were not there or something like that. Like I can't explain it to you, but these combs are $1.99 for 6 of them. So I can make me one. My partner, she won't want one, but if I really wanted to, or if she really wanted to, I can make her one. So you get 6 of these bad boys. So I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to get this all situated. I'm gonna measure how far I want it. I'm actually getting married at the courthouse, and so I want kind of that like short dress, long veil type vibe. So I'm gonna measure how long I will need it for that, and then we will get back to that. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I just measured myself. I think I'm gonna go with 55 inches because I just want to make sure that I have enough wiggle room. And this is, I mean, obviously you can't tell how long it is, but I think that'll be good. Let me measure how much tulle I have, and then we will see. By the way, this all of it was less than $12. It was $11.42 altogether, so really cheap if you feel like making this for your wedding. Okay, so I have 2 yards, which is 6 feet. I am 5'5", so I want to make this a little past my knees, or like, if that makes sense. So what I'm gonna do, and by the way, I am off of crutches. I am on a cane now, so this is gonna be a little bit of a situation, but okay, so I have it in half, like hot dog style, and I'm now going to measure it. So yes, and then I will cut out what I need from it. Okay, I measured out, I'm actually gonna do 60 inches because I have about a foot left. Maybe a little bit under a foot, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna cut this out. And yes, I am using a clip like this as my pin because I forgot to buy pins, and as I said, I can't find any other sewing supplies, so we're gonna make do with this. Okay. I saw how big it would be, or how long it would be. I like the length, so I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to do like a swoop at the end. You'll see what I mean. So I'm just gonna cut this very carefully. Let me get situated. Okay, so I have it at my table. Yes, I am using my sun water to hold it in place because it's the heaviest thing that I have around me right now. Well, I have this shallows. I'm gonna use this shallows as well. So now that I have this, I am going to very carefully try to cut it as straight as possible, and then I will show you all what it's like when it's done, or after I figured it out. Okay, so I have it cut as straight as I possibly could with the tools that I have. I think it's pretty straight. Yeah, that's pretty good. So now what I'm going to do is kind of cut like a curve into it, and I will show y'all what I mean. And I'm actually gonna keep it completely, I have two of these, by the way. I'm going to keep it completely sandwiched together still. I have it somewhere. There we go. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Now I have the curve, or the areas where I want the curve to start and end. So I'm gonna move this extra tool out of the way. Do not throw this away, we're going to need it. Put that there, bring this here, and I'm ever so carefully going to cut the edge how I want it. Okay, so now I have the curve. I'd say that's pretty good for now. We'll adjust it later if we need to. But now what I'm going to do is unclip these. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep them clipped for now, just to keep it folded. We don't need these. You can just do whatever with these. I'm just gonna put them over here. Next, you're going to take your extra bit of tool, as long as you can get it, and you're gonna cut a very thin line. Not too thin, but you don't want it super thick, because we're actually gonna use this to attach the veil to the comb. So I'm gonna cut that out, and I will see y'all in a bit. Okay, so I have the comb, and I have my piece of extra tool that I'm going to use. So what we're gonna do is we're going to I've never done this before, but okay, so I figured something out. What I'm gonna do is, so I'm right here, I'm going to tie it to the one right next to the one that it was, and then in between between it. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'll go over a few times. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this done, and then I will show y'all what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, I now have this, which this is not going anywhere. As you can see, this is very, very sturdy. I'm actually very proud of that. I'm gonna keep on going until this is completely like woven into it. So I will see y'all in a minute. Okay, now that I have it pretty good, I have the ends nice and covered. It looks really pretty. I'm actually going to use this this pink right here, just to baste and attach it to this part right here. So I'll show you in a minute. Okay, I got my needle and thread ready. I think that's all that I'm gonna need. So I'm just gonna do that much. So I'm just gonna finish threading this through. I'm trying to see if I can show you a little bit better. Okay, there we go. So I have this right here. What I'm going to do is stitch right here. So take my, oh my gosh. Take my thread and needle, and I'm gonna see where it is. So it's right there. I'm going to, I've not sewed in a very long time. Do not judge me, please. Let's see if that sticks. It does, okay. So we're just gonna keep on stitching this. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about that. We'll get that in a minute. That is not going anywhere. Okay. So there's the comb. I really like the comb. You will see it's very nice. It's big. It's plush. This is a great base for attaching the veil to. So I'm now going to flip this back over, and then I will show you what I'm gonna do with the top of the veil to attach to here right now. Okay, so for this part, I'm actually going to use a little slightly darker thread just so that it shows up a little bit better. Just so that I can use this thread for attaching it to the comb and also applying the lace. I want it to look like more of the lace. This is that color. So I'm just going to use this to, I'm actually going to use this to scrunch up the tool so that way it has like a nice full look after I gather it. So I will show you all that right now. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I have this corner of tool. What I'm gonna do is move this over here. Okay. I'm going to very slowly actually thread through this through the tool. And so I'm gonna do this, and then I will get back to you after I'm done. Okay, it's been about an hour. This took a lot longer than I thought it would, but I have it bunched up now, and you see it's not gonna go anywhere. This is just tacked down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to now sew it to the comb. And I'm gonna use that I'm gonna use that light pink thread to actually do this. But before I do it, I'm just gonna make sure that it stays in place. So I'm just going to sew the pleats together, basically. So I'll show you all that in a minute. And here is the finished product. I forgot to film because something happened in my house, but this is what it's gonna look like. Yes, I'm in my pajamas. I'm so sorry. All right, Levi out.